I'm Juliet. I'm the Earth Collections conservator. This is my lab space where we bring in material from the field if we've collected it recently, and also we do preventative conservation work. I've been preparing the skull of the plesiosaur from Peterborough, slowly taking off the layers of clay and revealing the bones. It's very slow work. You need an eye for detail and a very steady hand and a lot of patience to make sure that you're not throwing away information before you've actually revealed it. It takes as long as the time that I can give it, but it's taken me about 2 years to get to this stage, working probably about 1 day a week on it if I'm lucky. We've actually had the skull CT scanned, and I can refer to the reconstruction when I'm actually taking off the clay, and it's really helpful to have that as a visual aid. It is like a big jigsaw puzzle. Some pieces you just don't know where they fit. Some pieces like this atlas axis and the basioccipital, you can see how they can fit together really neatly. What we've got here is part of the left side of the lower jaw, and it's got these rather beautiful conical needle-shaped teeth. They were actually in many, many pieces when I lifted them from the clay, but you can see how they've come back together. One of the exciting things that I've been discovering are tiny little hooklets, which are the remains of creatures called belemnites, which are squid-like creatures. They would have been swimming around at the same time as the plesiosaur and may have probably formed part of the creature's diet. It does feel like a really special thing to be able to work on this specimen, because you're the first one to be showing it the light of day after 165 million years. And that's a real privilege for me. And it's all I can do to just make sure that we're retaining all that information for future generations to enjoy.